Welcome back to The Explainer. Okay, so did you know that a tiny oversight this December could literally cost you a massive chunk of your hard-earned money in late fees? Or better yet, that you could entirely avoid that whole nightmare for less than the cost of a cup of coffee? Today, we're diving straight into exactly how to easily and securely pay your St. Charles County property tax online. Because look, nobody wants an 18% penalty on their taxes, right? But if you miss that strict December 31st deadline, that's exactly what you're looking at. Under Missouri state law, delinquent taxes get hit with a punishing 18% annual interest rate, plus a flat 2% penalty charge right on top. It adds up incredibly fast, and trust me, it's a headache you definitely want to avoid. But here is the amazing contrast. For a flat fee of just $1.50 to $2, you can settle your entire bill securely online using an e-check. Just like that, you completely eliminate the stress of lost mail, and you guarantee you won't get slapped with those staggering statutory penalties. It really is that cheap, and it's that easy. Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to cover why paying online is your best bet, exactly what info you need to gather, how to navigate the portal itself, the breakdown of processing fees, how to troubleshoot common issues, and then we'll wrap up with a quick final review. Section 1. Why pay taxes online? So as we mentioned, that statutory late penalty is pretty severe. Staying current is absolutely crucial for your financial health. Paying online ensures you hit that strict, non-negotiable December 31st deadline, and you're doing it without relying on the physical mail system during literally the busiest time of the year for the post office. When you compare traditional mail against the county's digital option, it's really night and day. With the old way, you're risking lost envelopes, delayed processing, and you're totally at the mercy of USPS postmark dates. Let's be honest, it can be pretty anxiety-inducing. But online, you get an instant digital confirmation, highly secure third-party processing, and immediate peace of mind, knowing your taxes are handled. Section 2. Gathering your necessary information. Look, we know nobody enjoys tax prep. But before you even sit down at your computer, you're going to want to build a quick checklist of these items so things go smoothly. You'll need your property identification number, or PIN. You also need your account number, the exact property address, sometimes called the situs, the exact name of the property owner, your combined tax statement for both real estate and personal property, and of course, your preferred payment details. Section 3. Navigating the payment portal. All right, you'll want to go directly to stcharlesmocollector.com. Now, what's really interesting here is that this specific URL routes you straight to the secure third-party payment gateway. It cuts right through the noise of the main government site and gets you exactly where you need to be to process your payments safely. And the interface is super logical, even if you're a complete beginner at this. First up, you just select either the real estate search or personal property search button. Second, input your account PIN, address, or name. Just make sure it matches your documents exactly. Third, verify that the outstanding tax liability amount actually matches your records. And finally, just add the bill to your electronic shopping cart. It's a remarkably streamlined, four-step process. Section 4. Processing fees and security. Let's break down the math for a second because the savings are super obvious when you look at the options. If you choose to pay via an electronic check or e-check, you're only charged a tiny flat fee, usually $1.50 to $2 depending on the screen you're on. But if you use a credit or debit card, you're going to pay roughly 2.5% of your total tax bill, plus a 35-cent flat fee. E-check is definitely the clear financial winner here, saving you a significant chunk of change on a large tax bill. So, what exactly happens after you hit submit? Well, instantly, you'll get a digital confirmation number. Definitely save that. Within one business day, your payment actually posts to the county ledger. About 5 business days later, you'll get an official paper receipt mailed out to you. And within 1 week, the DMV database officially updates, so you're totally cleared to go register your vehicle. It's great because you know exactly what to expect across all their systems. Section 5. Troubleshooting common portal issues. Now for an essential insider tip. The online shopping cart is actually disabled during the first 3 to 5 business days of every single month for statutory penalty updates. So the crucial point is, if you try to log on and pay on the 2nd or 3rd of a new month, the system physically won't let you. Knowing this in advance is going to save you a ton of website confusion and frustration. Let's rapid fire through a few other common troubleshooting scenarios so you're fully empowered. Cart disabled? Just wait until the 6th business day of the month to pay. Seeing a $0 balance? The assessor might just be missing your personal property form. Missing your bill entirely?
You can easily register for e-alerts on the site to get direct text or email links. And if you get an address mismatch, double-check that the names on your assessor form and your real estate deed match perfectly. You can resolve all of these pretty smoothly without even picking up the phone to call the county.
Section 6. Final review and disclaimers.
All right, let's recap these key takeaways. Always pay by December 31st to avoid up to 18% in punishing interest. Remember that e-checks are absolutely your most cost-effective online payment method. Be sure to save those digital confirmation numbers for your records. And hey, if things are a little tight financially, remember that partial and advance payments are completely accepted by the county to help alleviate some of that holiday stress. And this brilliantly illustrates the official disclaimer. As the collector's office states, the information on this website is for informational purposes only. No warranties are provided. And well, the same goes for us. This explainer is just here to guide you through the process, but definitely consult official updates or contact St. Charles County officials directly if you have specific legal questions or need personalized help. So, how much time and money are you going to save this December by taking control of your property taxes online? By following these simple steps, you can check this annual chore off your list securely, efficiently, and with total confidence. Thanks for tuning into this explainer, and make sure to subscribe for more focused content just like this.